Okay. This gun's probably not a good option, I don't really like it.
Left side's clear. Right. Still behind you.
Alright.
Ready your weapon.
I did get hit, but I think I should be good.
I hope so.
I think we've got a couple lives. I don't think it changed it. Me up on the right side.
Yeah, I'm straight in the middle. I'm behind you.
Alright. Let me check main entrance. Alright, crossing. I really hate this scope, I can't lie.
Which one? The hollow?
Yeah, it's because I usually play like slightly tilted like...
Main target's dead.
Oh!
He's down
Where
there.
is he? Where is he? Yeah, I see. We could push on this. It's clear, go, go, go. I'll hold it front.
Put the gun down right now!
What about?
Come on, man, drop the gun. It's not worth it. Drop the gun!
Kept walking towards me. I'm holding main and
You go
big
pick it
door.
up.
I'm gonna go pick it up.
Yep.
Got it.
Alright, should we still push from the same place or?
We could push you there.
Alright, okay.
Saying what they're here now. One down. Room's
Alright,
clear.
another door.
Right, another
You
door.
open, you open. Reloading.
Room seems to be clear.
That's 3 down in the main corridor.
Room clear. Right, now here's the bad part, the big main stairs.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna quickly get to here. Nothing on them.
Nothing down them either. Get across from that.
We gotta keep someone behind us at the time. Oh, I just glitched through the wall. That's library. We could clear our exit through library.
Yeah, let's clear library first. Watch stairs.
I'm going full auto because we're a lot closer in combat. And I don't. Oh, this ain't library, is it?
Cinema.
Door behind you.
Yep. I'm holding it.
Alright. This is going to be a very bad angle.
I've got a snake cam.
What do you have in your back?
I've got a snake cam.
I'm hearing doors opening.
I've got absolutely nothing in this room.
Does it have any leads? Open it.
Reaching. Oh, wait, okay.
That was... you did that so bad.
Another door, but
Alright, I'm closing the door.
got it.
Oh, it doesn't matter. You hold the door.
It's gonna
Locked.
swing open my way, so I'm
Snake
gonna have to go a
snake
bit.
it.
Snake it.
Snake it.
Let's have a look. I think that's one. No. Maybe. It looks like a person, but the chair at the same time far straight ahead.
Far.
Like far down straight. There's one on the
Alright,
right
okay.
too, near the pool table.
I mean, if I smash it,
If you smash
You'll
it,
get
I
an immediate
might...
angle on the guy
No,
that side.
because it's going to come our way. So I think you're going to
Yeah,
fully
but
smash
if I
it.
smash it, then it won't.
I'm dead. It was a chair, yeah. That one scared me, that did.
Pushing right. Oh. Go.
2 doors.
You hold that door. One target down.
Got it.
I put so many bullets into him, that was really stupid, but I've got to make sure they don't get back up.
Let's have a look.
It's unlocked, by the way, we could peek it.
I'm not seeing nothing unless there's one down straight in the dark hallway.
I'll peek it, there's a left way. Nothing. Right.
I'm holding straight, so if anyone tries to swing you. Alright, ready? Go.
We're back in main area.
Right. There's many options here.
You hold the corridor.
Yep.
It's locked. Snake it.
Got it.
We need like at least 3 people to properly do this. We've got to clear both ways.
Chair in the way, so I've got a blind spot straight left corner. But the very left corner right and the top right is clear. But
We
chair,
could do this map with the others,
chair's blocking my
because we
view
need
though.
a bit more people.
One down.
Holy sh! I almost shite myself.
But you walk around the corner. We clear?
You hold the doorway.
I've shut the door. Door's shut, so if they try open it. Okay. Got another door, I'll take weak side. Very close from me.
I'll hold behind you. Oh, well, you opened that really right in front of me. It's fine.
Alright, I'm behind you. I've got a 45. Right, you move that way, I'll move this way. I've got a big room here. I'm gonna try
Yeah, I'm
pie it.
pushing back.
2 down.
Holding this hallway.
Right, killed 2. Make sure it's clear so no one will flank us. We've got stairs.
Hold the stairs. There's probably someone downstairs in the chapel.
Just be careful.
One's down.
I'm at the top of the stairs, I'm just holding it.
Back.
I got one at the top, failed to drop. He's hit though.
Alright, okay. I'll hold this. Main entrance, main entrance.
Got it, I'm holding top though because I don't know.
I hate this gun, he's hiding.
Right, top one's dead.
I hate
I'll try to
this
help you
gun so
now.
much. He's down there, he's hiding behind that wall.
I got it.
There's a
You move
shotgun.
upstairs, I got it.
Right.
I'm not seeing nobody, he must have started hiding.
Alright, just keep an eye behind us then, come on.
Come in.
Hold that way.
Hold on. So all of my glow sticks are just gonna come out. There we go.
I quite like the glow sticks, but they don't really have much of a purpose.
Only at night time, it's to show that you cleared the room if you get lost. Right, get ready.
Yeah.
I say you stand in the.
Right, I'll cover.
And watch right side.
I ran out of ammo. I'm back.
Got it. Try to stay away from that wooden bits. They can shoot through them. 4 seconds.
Okay.
We've got a bird on station to get you
They all
home.
came from
Red
the left,
smoke
so
at
I
your
ran out of
rendezvous.
ammo, extremely clear. There's someone in there, I know.
Stairs gonna be risky, but
Really, really close. You hold behind.
let's get out of this building quick.
Two left. There's only 2 left, I think. Just gonna ruin his life. Don't know if that's how it works, but making his insurance worse.
I mean, he's dead, so guessing insurance is
Well, yeah,
gone.
for his family.
I mean, his family's gonna probably be happy.
I know, this ain't Jeffrey Epstein, is it? Wait, no, it is.
Extraction's en
Hey,
route.
come follow
Keep
me.
those guns up. We have
Can't
eyes
do
on
that.
multiple enemies
Right.
headed your way.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Get in a corner over here. You hold that side, I'll hold the
Yeah, I'm gonna hold the corner from this side, see what I can do. This is really bad.
Yeah. This is what I mean, we need more than 2 people. We need at least 2. No,
ETA,
3.
one mic.
Fuck.
Come down.
Ah!
He hit me, he hit me.
Do you want to see him?
Yes, send me up. Thank you.
They came from the right and the
'Cause
left.
I still have a spare one for you.
ETA for that bird is
Heli
30
jumper.
seconds. Hang in there.
Hey, what's up?
He's gonna have to cut a
Birds
lot
in
of
sight
the-
view.
Yeah.
I've got eyes on the.
He's gonna have to cut a lot of the video out or put it in parts.
Watch them behind. There we go. Even if there's only 2 of us, we did it. We did it.
Yeah.
We did it. We're going home. We're going home.